Preparing for a SEND meeting. This video will cover preparing for a meeting, attending a meeting, after a meeting, next steps. Understanding your child's needs is key to being able to support you to make informed decisions that are in the best interest of your child. SEND stands for Special Educational Needs and Disability. Meetings can support this. SEN meetings are part of the graduated approach. The SEN Code of Practice 2015 states, where a pupil is receiving SEN support, schools should talk to parents regularly to set clear outcomes and review progress towards them, discuss the activities and support that will help achieve them, and schools should meet with parents at least 3 times a year, and this is taken from Chapter 6, Section 65. You could ask for a SEN meeting with a class teacher or the setting SENCO, the Special Educational Needs Coordinator, if you think that your child may need SEN support, that your child is not responding to the support they are already getting, and or you don't know what support is in place. A SEN meeting should be purposeful and ideally have a clear agenda. It should enable you and your child to share your views, wishes and feelings, and enable you to take part in decision making. Requesting a meeting. You could do this in writing, on the telephone, face-to-face, or through a support worker on your behalf. Preparing for a meeting. You can make a list of what you feel are your child's needs or things they find difficult. Use the broad areas of need to help you to do this. Make a list of your concerns and questions and things that you want to be discussed in the meeting. If appropriate, talk to and involve your child to ask for their views and what support they think they might need. You can request copies of existing planning or tracking information. Have a look at the setting's SEND policy. You may want to send your questions or agenda to the setting in advance to help to structure the meeting or ask to be sent an agenda. Ask for a list of people who will be at the meeting and their role. Attending a meeting. Ask for introductions and a meeting plan, also called an agenda. Make sure someone is making a record of the meeting, but also take your own notes or ask someone to come and support you to do this. Take someone to speak on your behalf if needed. If you have made a list, use it as a prompt. Ask for explanations or something to be repeated if necessary, and ask for a short break if you need it. Check what you think has been agreed in the meeting before you leave, and agree a date to review the plan and its progress. After the meeting. Did you have the opportunity to say what you wanted to say? Are you clear about the outcome of the meeting? And do you understand what will happen next and when? Do you know what you need to do next? Do you know who you need to contact if you need help or if you're not clear about anything? And do you have a date for the next meeting booked in? It may be that what's put in place after the meeting is not successful and that something else needs to be tried. This is why it's important to make sure a follow-up meeting is agreed with the setting. Follow-on meetings are part of the SEND graduated approach. Suggested next steps. Request a structured meeting with the setting to discuss and plan for SEND. Regularly review SEND planning, minimum 3 times per year, and escalate to an education, health and care needs assessment if SEND support is not enough to meet need. If you're unhappy about your child's SEND support, you can make a formal complaint to the setting using its complaints procedure, and you can escalate a complaint to the Department of Education, the DfE. Further SEND information and advice on a wide range of topics is available on our website. Visit www.leadsendias.co.uk. On social media, search Lead Sendias. Other sources of information, advice and support. Contact for families with disabled children. www.contact.org.uk. IPSE, Independent Provider of Special Educational Advice. www.ipse.org.uk. Leeds Local Offer. www.leedslocaloffer.org.uk. MindMate. www.mindmate.org.uk. mindmate.org.uk, Council for Disabled Children, www.councilfordisabledchildren.org.uk. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful. We have more videos available. Please see our YouTube channel for the full list.